Hey guys, it's Miss Conley here again. I wanted to do just a quick video on the best way to navigate our Google Classroom because I did do some reorganization of it because I know with so many Google Classrooms and trying to find everything, it can get confusing. So obviously we're starting on our Launchpad, and I know in your Chromebooks you don't necessarily have to start in your Launchpad, but however you get to your Google Classrooms, that's where I'd like you to go. For this, I'm signed in as Kimmy, so thank you, Kimmy. So here's all your classes, obviously. And if you have a join button here, that means the teacher just built the class for you and you do need to join it. So I'm just going to show you how I've organized our math classroom and the best way to navigate it. So you'll go to math, and here is our stream. And our stream has so much, it can get really, really, really confusing. Look at all this, and we can get lost in it. So I've decided that we're going to operate everything through this classwork tab. So I want to make sure that they go to that tab. That's where you're going to live. And here you can see we've put all of the past assignments under past assignments. And then we'll have various topics here. You're going to look for the topic that says start here. So I want everything to operate. Again, you have your stream, which is lots of information thrown in there for you. But I want you to navigate always start at classwork. Always start at classwork. And then what I'll do here with the topics is it'll be by the day. So it'll say start here March 30th, and that's where you're going to find your very first assignment. And also, you're going to find this video linked there as well. And then you'll have past assignments, class announcements if we have any, but kind of trying to keep everything organized by date. I think that'll help us out the most. All right, as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us, and we look forward to this new learning with you.